Hey, good morning, George. This is Mike Sanders over at Sohn Products Equipment Company. I'm sorry for the mess in here. We're redoing our office right now, so half the office is in the warehouse. I set up just a very simple end cutter here for you. This is the Suli SA190H, so it's a semi-automatic machine, which means automatic traversing head, but the lifters themselves are still manual. We just threw it together back here in the warehouse. Now, I know that this material is your zebra material and you guys don't ever really cut this, but I know that your other materials you are cutting to width. So I want to make sure to kind of show you what it is. So yes, I'm going to ruin this piece, but I think it's important to show you what we're actually trying to accomplish here. I think this material is going to cut extremely easily. Obviously you can see that the track that I have here is not long enough. The only ones that we keep in stock are 96-inch long tracks. But again, I just want to show you what's going to happen. So we're going to make a cut. We've only got one shot at this. I lined it up right here on this seam as well as I could, just to make sure that we get as straight a cut as possible. When actually doing this for your application, it's probably best to do this with either just a manual style end cutter, just to make sure you get that perfect cut, or maybe even a blind cutting table. I'll send you some information on both of those because I have a feeling, I've worked with a lot of blind manufacturers in the past, and it's very, very important to have as perfect straight of a cut as possible, just to make sure that everything looks straight and it's not wonky when it's actually on the window. So anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and go over this. So the knife's ready to go. We're just gonna run it. Okay, as you can see, it's a very nice and easy, clean cut. This is probably the least powerful end cutter that we offer, and it cuts your material without issue at all. So there's a bunch of different routes we can go with this, a bunch of different options. It all is going to come down to how do you want to cut? What do you want the process to be? So take a look at this video and give me a shout and we'll start going over everything. Thanks.